replacing the nacelle kit. It goes on the headlight shroud. They're rubber grommets, and they've got a bushing inside them that's threaded. And I don't have the part number. It comes with screws, lock washers, flat washers, and the brass nuts. Kit of 8. Goes on the Road King front end. It holds the headlight in place. So anyways, very easily, you just pop them in. When you tighten them down, they expand. But over a period of like 10 years, they start giving out, and the rubber wears out, and they break off. So if you have to get in there to do any wiring or anything like that, which I'm going to put on the fairing, so that's the reason I'm in here, well, yeah, they were overdue for being changed, put it that way. Anyways, easy to find on eBay. They run about 20 bucks. Anyways, I don't have a part number, but I can put it in the web page. All right, later.